Hello everyone. I am Shalini Singh, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce at GEMS Engineering Management Technical Campus. So today in this lecture series of income tax law and practices, we are going to discuss about the computation of profits and gains of business or profession. This is the lecture 8 of unit 3. So let's begin. As we all know, profits and gains of any business is one of the heads in the calculation of income tax of an individual. So first of all, let's understand what is the meaning of this business. Business means any economic activity carried on for earning profits. It includes trade, commerce, manufacture, any adventure or concern in the nature of trade, commerce or manufacturer. So just a moment. So any business or profession is any economic activity from which we earn profit. So it can be any sort of trade or commerce. It can be earning of business. It can be a profit from business. So this is what a business means. It is defined under section 2 subsection 13. Now, what is the meaning of profession? Profession is an occupation requiring purely intellectual skill. For example, a lawyer, accountant, engineer, doctor or author. So a profession can be any job in which a person is earning money, or if a person is running a business, that can be his profession. So the earning from that business and profession is the profits and gains, which is taxable under section, which is taxable in the income tax law. So the following income shall be chargeable to income tax under the head profits and gains if the profit and gains of any business or profession which was carried on by the SSC at any time during the previous year, it will be charged under the income tax law. So meaning of profession under section 2 subsection 36 is it's an occupation which defines actually purely intellectual skills or the manual skills, as the examples are lawyer, accountant, engineer, doctor and author. It also includes vocation too. Income from business and profession, most importantly, what are the key points which should be kept in mind while calculating this profits and gains from business and profession? It should be it must be carried on by an SSC whosoever it is. That person should compute this profit and gains from business and profession. Then it must be carried on during the previous year. The calculation of this profit and gains is to be done for the previous year. Then only profits of the previous year are to be taxed. So the earnings or the profits which has been availed in the previous year, that is only taxable under the computation of profits and gains from the business and taxes. Then income includes negative income, that is loss also. So if there is any loss, then that loss won't be deducted. But then a person cannot do business with oneself, hence the notional profit is not taxable. If a proprietor withdraws goods costing rupees 50,000 for the personal use at an agreed value of 60,000, then the profit of 10,000 shall be taxable. There is no difference between legal and illegal business for the taxation purpose. Even income from illegal business shall be taxable. So while doing taxation, there is no definition from the income from which source it is coming. Whatever income it is coming, that has to be taxed. So it is taxable under the income tax law. So business income is taxable under the as I defined you what a business is. That is, the word business is one of the large and indefinite import, and it connotes something which occupies attention and labor of a person for the purpose of the profit. as per section 236, that is profession, which includes vocation also, that is as profits and gains of business or profession or vocation that are chargeable to tax under the heads of business and profession. It is distinguished between business and profession, and vocation does not have any material significance while computing the taxable income. What does not amount to profession may amount to business, and what does not amount to business may amount to vocation. So these are the key points which should be kept in mind while computing the income from business or profession. Now this is the basis of charge. What are the following incomes that are chargeable under the profits and gains of business or profession? So business incomes that are taxable under the head of profit and gains of business and profession under section 28 are profits and gains of any business or profession, any compensation or other payments due to or received by any person specified in section 28 subsection 2, or income derived by trade professionals or similar association for specific services performed for its members, the value of any benefit or perquisite, whether convertible into money or not, arising from the business or the exercise of the profession, any profit on transfer of a duty entitlement passbook scheme, then any interest, salary, bonus, commission or remuneration due to or received by a partner from a firm under section 28 subsection 5, then any sum received for not carrying out any activity in relation to any business or not to share any know-how, patent, copyright, trademark, etc. under section 28 subsection 5a, income from speculative transactions. So these are the few incomes which are taxable under the heads of profit and gains of business or profession under section 28. Now let's see what are the specific deductions which have been given in for that are availed in the profits and gains from business and profession. So specific deductions under section 13 under section 30 to 37 is rent, rates, taxes, insurance for building used for the purpose of business under section 30, repairs, insurance of plant and machinery, furniture under section 31, depreciation of the building or plant and machinery is 32, section 32, investment allowance under section 32 AC, tea, coffee, rubber development act 30, section 33 AB, site restoration fund section 33 subsection section 33 ABA, reserve for shipping business section 33 AC, specific research expenditure section 35, amortization of telecom license fees section 35 AB, expenditure on edible projects or schemes section 35 AC, deductions in respect of exemptions on specific business section 35 A AD, payment of association institution for carrying out rural development program section 35 CCA, weighted deduction for expenditure incurred on agriculture extension project section 35 CCC, weighted deductions for expenditure for skill development 35 CCD, amortization of preliminary expenses 35D, amortization of expenditure and development of certain minerals 35E, and other deductions are insurance premium of stock in trade, bonus or commission to employees, interest on borrowed capitals, employees contribution to provident and other funds, employers contribution to the approved gratuity fund, bad debts. So these are few deductions which are allowed for the computation of profits and gains. Now so these were the few deductions, and this was how the computation was done. And in fact the business income that is not taxable under the head profit and gains are like rental income or dividend on shares in case of shares in case of dealers, that is also that amount is totally deductible. It is not chargeable under the uh, heads of profits and gains from business and profession. So this were the computation method, which are these are the items which are included for the computation of profit and gains of business or profession. That's all for today. Thank you.